Being a civil engineer entails that a lot of planning, calculations, design, maintenance of different structures be carried out by you, and these structures could include buildings of different types, roads, drainage systems, and a lot more. Right here, we are constructing a rigid pavement using interlocks. We have different types of road constructions though. I'll just talk about rigid and flexible pavement. Rigid pavements are special pavements made with concrete, and while flexible pavements are pavements made with coal tar. They are flexible in nature when sun is. Let me just leave this explanation on that. I wouldn't want to bore you. So right here we are taking lines to ensure that this drainage that want to be constructed here will be dug straight.
I don't catch
Really.
her.
Yet the drainage, start digging the drainages. This definitely takes a lot of work. Calculations must have been done, you know. Right here, we are bringing out mineral resources from the ground. This is stone dust got out of this ground because here was filled. The place was actually filled to stabilize the soil. So this road has to be compacted, has to be filled with laterite, compacted. Then there will be use of
All of them.
damp-proof membrane before the interlocks could be placed and inserted on the road. Right, it's another type of rigid pavement there, covering the drainage system with concrete. So construction here continues, and by beside the road, flowers will be planted. Yes, when the flowers arrive to enhance the aesthetics of our road system. So you can see the damp-proof membrane being put on the road before. These are blocks for the drainage system. Right here, the ground floor of the drainage system have been casted. Blocks arriving. These blocks are for the drainage system. So flowers are planted beside and have to be watered every morning just to enhance the aesthetics of the road. Now come with me. Let me take you back to the site again to see what is going on. Just come with me, I won't take you astray. Follow who know involving an engineer when it comes to any structure at all.
Good
Okay.
afternoon.
So back to our road again. You see the road construction have actually gone far. A lot has been done. This took a lot of
Thunder
planning,
again.
calculations to be put in place, supervision. So right here, our drainage, the walls of the drainage is being laid. You can see a very neat work being done there by the workers. So after these walls are laid, the side of the wall internally has to be plastered to ensure easy passage of water without eroding the sides of the drainage. So right here,
Thunder
work
again.
continues. You can
Brother.
see the damp-proof membrane placed on the leveled road before interlocks are being placed on the road. This ensures perfect work ensure that grasses will not be growing on the road, and the water will not be percolating much on the road to ensure a very stable, rigid pavement. So what continues here? Laying of these walls of the drainage. The work here being done was not only done by civil engineers. There's a range of collaboration. The surveyors have had to take levels of the road to ensure that the road will slope perfectly to the drainage. Post Service Housing Development Limited (PHDL) is the best real estate company in Nigeria, delivering homes to both serving and retired soldiers and officers, and even to interested civilians. They are the canopy covering all the projects you'll be seeing me posted, and maybe more. So, civil engineers do not work alone, they work in collaboration with other departments. They work with the architects, they
Sanda
work with the
yake.
surveyors, they work with the quantity surveyors, they work with the estates surveyors and evaluators and the estate managers and a whole lot of others that they collaborate to ensure a smooth work is done before pre-construction stage and in construction stage, and also post construction stage, to ensure all structures constructed are being maintained to serve the purpose for which they are constructed. Here you can see the walls of the drainage system. It has been plastered to ensure water will not erode the side of the drainage. Work is coming to a climax. Thank you very much for watching this video thus far. Please do ensure to involve engineers in all your construction works. See you on the next video where I will show you the completed works.